Hello everyone. This is in continuation to our topic maintenance management. This is question 2. Machine in a factory have increased cost as they continue in service due to increased running cost. The initial cost is rupees 3,500 and resale price drops as time passes until it reaches a constant value of rupees 500. Determine the proper length of service before machine should be replaced. Cost data are given in the table below. For 5 years, they gave us the data of running cost and as well as the resale price in rupees. We need to find out what should be the optimum life of this particular machine, means when it should get replaced. So for that, we created a table like this, where we wrote in the first column years of service, running cost, whatever is given, and then we copied these values, running cost values and resale values, and also the initial cost. All these are copied. Now let us calculate the cumulative running cost. First, it will be 1800 only. Then 1800 plus 2200, it becomes 4000. Then it becomes 6700. Then it becomes 9900. Then it becomes 13,600. Now, this is the initial cost. This is the resale price. So initial cost minus resale price will be the net cost. So first one, it will be 3,500 minus 1,900. It works out to 1,600. 3,500 minus 1,000, it works out to 2,500. Then here it is 2,900. Then it is 3,000. Then it is 3,000. Okay, now total cost will be the sum of this C minus S, that is initial cost minus resale value, plus the cumulative running cost. So that if we add, it will become 3,400. So average cost will be 3,400 by 1. It is 3,400. 2,500 plus 4,000. It works out to 6,500 here. So 6,500 divided by 2. It will work out to 3,250. Okay. Next, 6,700 plus 2,900. That works out to 9,000. Sorry, 6,700 plus 2,900, 9,600 divided by 3 for getting average cost. It is 3,200. The next one, 9,900 plus 3,000. That works out to 12,900 total cost. So, but for average, you have to divide it by 4 to get 3,225. Here itself, we may notice till third year end, it was reducing. Suddenly in the fourth year end, it is increasing, which means we need not calculate the last, what do you call it? Last row, because we identified, what do you call it? Right. So we can conclude now. Since the average cost is getting increased at the end of year 4, the optimal replacement period or replacement time should be at the end of third year. At the end of third year, we need to replace it. That is the solution for this particular question.